G'day, here's a couple of examples of Queensland Boulder Opal from the correct opal field. The rules in millimetres, the material is wetted to help bring out the colours and patterns in the stone, which it's renowned for. The white that you're seeing sometimes is the light reflecting. Okay, I've gone in a bit closer. As you can see, these are nice big slices. Nice patterns. Second piece. Some colour coming through over here, over this side. Yeah, it's nice and thick. It's getting towards the outside of the stone a bit more, so the pattern tends to disappear. Anyway, it's two good examples there. I hope you've enjoyed looking. Sorry about the car there. Bye.